Hey, we're on your side with health news. A lot of you will be spending time at the pool or at the beach this summer, but when you're outside, it is important to protect your skin from the sun. Our medical expert, Dr. Dave, joins us now talking about sunscreen. It's not a laughing matter, but...
not at all.
No, not at all.
It is a fun time right now, and we want to protect ourselves from sun damage. There's so many sunscreen options out there. People are wondering how to choose and use these sunscreens.
Yeah, so what do you look for?
Well, you want to look for 4 things on the label. SPF of 30 to 50, broad spectrum coverage for UVA and UVB light, 40 to 80 minutes, which tells us how long the sunscreen is effective for, and water or sweat resistant.
Now, everybody knows how to put the stuff on, but you say the important thing is reapplying it.
That's right. You apply about 15 minutes before you get into the sun, but you want to make sure you reapply about 40 to 80 minutes, depending on what's on the label, especially if you're out in the water, out playing and sweating.
Obviously, I have very light skin, so I know I need sunscreen, but darker skin tones need sunscreen as well?
Absolutely. Dark skinned people need to use the same sun protection sunscreen, wearing hats and sunglasses, Jenny.
Now, we see here people spraying it on. Is there a difference between the spray-ons and the other stuff that you just slather on?
The problem with the sunscreen sprays is they can be inhaled into the lungs.
Ooh.
Not enough sunscreen may get onto the skin to offer adequate protection, and because they're aerosolized, they can become flammable within minutes of application.
Flammable?
Whoa.
Right.
Yikes.
There was a rare report of that last year.
Okay.
Don't smoke.
Don't smoke and spray sunscreen. And then do you need to rub it in too if you spray it on? Some of them say you don't have to, but it's a good idea.
If you are going to be using a spray, it might be good to apply twice so you get enough.
All right. And now, how do you store this stuff? Does it make a difference where you store it, how you store it?
You want to store in a moderate temperature, not in your hot car where the ingredients can degrade. And keep an eye on the expiration date. Most sunscreens are good for 2 years to a maximum of 3 years after the date of purchase.
So that sunscreen I have in my glove box is...
Right. No good.
No good. No good.
Yeah, I heard you should actually throw it out every year and just kind of get
You should
fresh
be
stuff.
using enough to be done with the bottle by the end of the summertime. So remember to apply and reapply.
Right, good advice. Dr. Dave, thank you so much. Dr. Dave joins us every Tuesday right here on The Noon Show. If you have a question or a topic idea for her, you can email it to us at newsdesk@cbs47.tv.